We are back with a new product from Electron Shepherd, which we're calling the AVE-HDMI, that is built off of GCVideo, which is readily available on GitHub. This board converts the digital video stream from the Wii's GPU to an HDMI stream that can be utilized with any kind of external monitor or even HDMI LCD screens. This is a really simple board. It allows for power and a GameCube controller input. And if you don't want to use a GameCube controller input, you can also use an IR sensor with a button combination. The IR sensor and button and the GameCube input are simply used to edit some video settings if required. In a lot of applications, it's not required. By default, it's not required, but it's kind of a nice to have. So what you see here in front of us is a Wii motherboard here. We've relocated the AVE relocation using the boards that are available on our website. This is not required, but the idea here is that you can, in combination with having an AVE HDMI installed, you can also have an AVE relocation installed so that you're displaying VGA or component signal on top of this raw HDMI signal. We have our AVE HDMI here, and then we also have this small dongle that's attached, which you can buy on our website, which has a button and an IR sensor for use with an external universal remote. So I'm going to go ahead and power this up, and we can verify that it works. Got the video going to a capture card at the moment. And so you can see we boot into BB Loader just fine. Loads the GC Games window, and if we wanted to utilize this remote control here, simply hold down the pairing button. This opens up window to allow us to pair. So we press up, down, left, right, enter, and back on our remote. And then if we press enter, see we open up into the GCVideo main menu screen here. So if you scroll through, you can see OSD settings, picture settings, other settings, view all modes, so you can see different video modes that you can stream at, things of that nature. You can also go in and change the brightness, so if it's too dark for whatever reason, you can change that. If you want to increase or decrease the contrast, that's available, saturation, so on and so forth. So there's a lot of functionality built in here that you can play with. Then once you're happy, you can store those settings, and they are stored. So this is a really simple universal remote here. You can buy this for $1 or $2, no problem. Alternatively, if you didn't want to use a universal remote, maybe you built this into your portable, you can, as I mentioned, connect a GameCube controller from your portable to this GameCube controller input here. And just by pressing a couple of buttons on your remote, you can easily pull up the same window. So if this seems like a useful product that you'd like to use in your next maybe mini console or even your portable, then go ahead and take a look at our website. You can buy these today. Thank you.